Hey everyone, I am Mohamed, a software engineer from Cairo, Egypt. I have been delivering production software for over 13 years now. I have been working on several technologies like Java, JavaScript, Python, Swift, database, and cloud services. In 2017, I started working remotely with a company that had a toxic work culture and they really don't care about one's growth. Working at a place where quantity mattered over quality was very frustrating. You have to act like a robot where your every task is micromanaged and you can't even breathe without their permission. At this point, I really wanted to be at a place where I could grow, enjoy flexibility, and work on something impactful. I found Turing while searching for remote jobs. Turing's automated vetting process was really amazing and quite different from other job boards. While giving the tests, I realized that only really amazing developers can make it through this. That's what drove me to take even more tests, as many as I could. I wanted to make sure I am considered for the most number of jobs Turing has. So I took over 10 tech stack MCQs in total and added all those amazing skills to my profile. And shortly afterward, I got hired. Also, here is a pro tip for any developer applying today. Check out the most in-demand tech stacks on Turing's blog or social media and add those to your profile. Turing tests look for your technical skill, knowledge, and most of all strengths. And I feel that not taking the tests is a bigger risk than taking them and not passing. And remote work is generally seen as temporary. I was also concerned about job stability, but this is not at all the case with Turing. I got paid every month, sometimes even before the first, and it's all super easy to withdraw. Turing brought a radical shift in my life, and I have never been this happier and satisfied with my personal and professional life. If you are a senior developer and want to work on exciting career defining projects with US firms, join me today at Turing.